and what not to do.
It is done. The lightning and the thunder will roll.
But he have another woman that he want to be married to. I have been there with him before that girl, and him a put she over me.
Understand? So
You don't understand life.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome again to the channel. For you see the face and the voice that don't know. One Maggy from one Maggy Films. You don't know, never two. You want to go down a niggle side there. We have a brand new movie for you. Want to watch it from start to finish. Right, so seeing say all who new, come in, man. Seeing, enjoy Maggy Films. You don't know, we do the best Jamaican movies them ever, right? Anyway, online service hub, we not go belong. Seeing, remember the business in the man. Them can license your motor vehicle for you. Seeing, them can purchase examination fees. Alright, so police card, you don't know, you can do a police card via them same way. Well, again, traffic tickets, you can pay traffic tickets online. If you can't sit on the ticket, call them. Them can sort out that them able to do it. You understand me? I say, police card, you don't know the whole works. So, link them up. If you have a business where licensed already, register already and you need to renew it, call them. If you want to register your business for the first time, link them up. Online service hub. Make sure, man, a Maggy tell you a reliable business. Hey, hold me accountable for nothing, right? Remember me telling you, say, great business. Me use them too. Skip the line a joke thing. Remember me telling you that. One Maggy Films, never two.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
After you do with that, me tell you fi give me back. Lord, this can't real at all. Me dey am now, me get inna this fall. Me dey on a me mission in a broad daylight. At a beat fast, not a nah feel right. One little slip up turn big overnight. Now me have to beg God fi avoid one fight. Me say please just hand it over. She laugh and I call me closer. Me know if the owner ever find out, me life a go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks where me fi say, me I go lose me peace this same day. Give me back the panty, no make me cry. Me reputation bout to fly. One little lace cause only have stress. Me never know love coulda make such mess. She hide it good, me search every room. Me feel like doom, just stepping at the gloom. Every excuse just sound out of tune. Me know the thunder soon I go boom. She say beg little Lord a star. Me say Lord have mercy Father. One piece of cloth a make me a sweat. This a the hardest favor me beg yet. If you ever juggle, listen this tale. One wrong move make every plan fail. Sometimes the lesson cost more than pride. Now me a dodge trouble from every side. Give me back the panty, me I beg you know. Me still can't explain it somehow. One little secret bust down on the street. Now everybody want hear the beat. Give me back the panty, end this play. Me nah live so again from today. One little lace turn comedy gold. Some story better never get told.
Hello? Hey girl, what? Come here. Me for the fan and die tree. Girl, I have a story for tell you. It's really hot. Girl, me need advice for something. So hurry up, come here now. Alright.
What is a girl I want?
I got blisters in the car. Might be important. Girl! Woo! Come on.
I'm gonna need an advice for something. Girl, can you believe me go up a Ricky yard?
Girl, come up to us, man.
Yeah, come. Why my phone drop? Come.
It's not true what you go tell me, you know. Oh, no drama in a girl.
I go up a Ricky yard. Him go tell me, say, him not do no more sneaking with me or nothing. Him a get married to Chubby.
But here, what do you mean by that?
Girl, my tell me say him a get married to Chubby and we can't do no more sneaking. So, me forgot to come up a yard.
No, so that's what's up, Magwan, in your life. What is the advice you want?
What fi do?
Set him.
Want advice what fi do? What I mean by that?
Your time to you, and you kick out the girl. Simple. 1, 2, 3, girl.
How do that?
When back you do that, you must do that, girl.
No.
Girl, I forgot. I'm Mama Jones.
How name so?
I'll be at one. How are you, girl?
When I did they sit me, you know some got church already.
Girl, how are you? So what you want to do? Fight him? That you want to do?
That no bad. That the bad stills, you know.
Idiot? Girl, you have to do it the quick way right now. Alright, I'm tell you, I'm your friend. I can't make you go to. Girl, look, you look sad, girl. You want to cry every minute over Dirty Ricky? You don't want him to become your prize. Eh?
Yeah, want it.
Don't worry. Now I'll set up something with it all. Me, I go got Mama Jones. You know what you need to do? Just get the girl panty. Get the one where she just take off. You can't get no one you wash already. You have to get the one where you use already. So when she just take off, like friend him up and go up a yard. Get why you look at me so weird?
Girl, me have to look by your way, but anyway,
Start.
start.
So you need to get the
Yeah, the panty.
yeah, me I'll make me a stammer. So when you get the panty now, remember you know the one where she use, you need to friend up Ricky. I doing this and thing but friend him up. Get the used one, you bring it come, may go up on Jones, and she do what she need to do. And if you know what else go happen, just know say girl go come out and picture completely, and after that, you get your man use brief. You understand? You set him to so I only go up eyes for you. How that sound?
Okay, they're planning the sound too bad stills, you know.
You look like you're afraid. What are you? You don't think you gonna work?
Come in used to them sitting here because me's a goodly picnic and me go to church. But anyways, anything what you say,
Yeah, girl.
we work with.
Say what you want me to do. Be a friend and make you go to them something here and you can have an easier way. If you might tell us saying go married to Chubby, just know say you in basically tell us say you and him basically left.
He even want to get her pregnant too.
Alright, you need to hurry up and do this. So you need to friend him up. You need to call him and sweet him up, tell him where I'm tell him what catch him fast. And you get the girl panty fall. You know you're not going to touch no girl panty, but make sure you get one to use.
She's not up there right now because she's supposed to go to work, you know.
We'll get one we use. She must be there because she's not like a clean girl. So she must have them in her shoe something. So you just do that and you just bring it come to me first thing. As you get it, nobody hitch.
Alright, we do that. So anyways, what happened?
I'm there, girl. I'm tired. You see how far me have to walk come from?
Girl, I know me hot.
But girl, I'm sorry for you now because you know me already now. You know me come to already, girl. Me not feel I got you them stress there like you. You know me just a use man and just a broke their heart and I take their money.
You still do that?
You know, so what do your girl say what do you find when I rich one them? I want to be man get out time, you know?
Girl.
Man, be man, you hear that big car with sunroof. Girl,
Although you're my friend and you help me with whatever situation me I got through, but still, you don't know, say man, we kill it for, man, we analyze it for them sitting there.
Girl, you know, some mad woman. Just like how me I tell about this, it's not the first time. They feel them head already set. So them when me do them that's something they forget my face and identity. My identity come out of their face, my name, everything, my body, everything. They erase. They don't even know how much or large some of money come out of their account. Girl, you know me come there already. That's when me done with them boy there. Them dry out like a chips where people make good enough you know what me I talk about.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah. But anyways, girl, you serious about what you do?
Yeah, me serious about me I do. But either way, where can I do? Where
Girl,
we do?
girl, I that with you, no? You know I joke me around, girl. How happen? I joke me around, girl. I can't look for myself. I don't joke me around.
Anything you say?
But me, I make the money, girl. You know how me come there already. Yeah, you forgot how my house look? You forgot how my house look? My house look like
No.
a hotel. Me use money for sense. But you know you love a girl, so you're in a really state like me. That's why me have to help in this situation. So you cannot start draining him to kind
But
of
you
money,
see,
you know.
the brother just cover your steals. Me I tell you.
Yes, Miss Brown. How much it fit for the entire wedding? Oh, 300,000. So we are gonna get like a cake including and the clothes and everything. Okay. No man, that at least. That at least. Me not have no problem. But here what I do, Miss Brown. Would make she cause me no want to see where my wife are going, you know. You know easy, you know, Miss Brown. Me no want to see no more wife yet. But soon to be. So mother want she come first, like she come today, try and fear just cause me no want see what she a go wear, and me no want she if you see what me a go wear. So me a go come tomorrow and try and my suit. You know easy, you know, Miss Brown. Alright then later. And thank you, Miss Brown. Yeah, me a go make she come today, yeah, Miss Brown. Alright, and me forward tomorrow. Alright.
I did that first cemetery, but I'm fine. You know, say I got renew my passport now.
Oh, cause you need for renew, you know, be and I call the lady we are gonna deal with the wedding for we and she had tell me say everything good and me ask her price and everything and she tell me price. So
How much is it?
she said 300,000. So you gotta go over there today after you go renew your passport and try and adjust.
Oh, so tell me I tell you on the gist.
Yeah, today you go over there go try and adjust. You go check Miss Brown. You know where Miss Brown live?
I think I know which passport you know. But we want to deal with the passport first. Can I tell us renew me on it? Can I excited you know? I'm so excited for what trip you know. First me I got Bahamas. I'm excited.
Be you know, must expect say yo me I go cheat you, me I make sure say alright. Remember say more second than no, even though some things happening in my past way. Just forgive me.
Be nobody bring up that. Me tell us me forgive you already. Them there was all time news. You understand? But I said open and do it again. Me forgive you for a long time. I should even bring up back that. Me soon to be wife, you know?
Yes, be at this month we are get married, you know. No longer than this
I
month.
can't wait.
Can't wait to me can't wait for go to Bahamas.
Anyways, now me get the things them and me go renew the passport, then me go down at the home.
Yeah, and try and adjust and make sure say if you don't feel comfortable in adjust, you know, don't tell the woman say you like, you know, and you know you not like, you know, cause you know how you stay, you know.
No man, me go pick the one I like. I hope me can done in time. Come I want to go fresh up my hair a little bit.
Yeah, you want fresh to be and you can do that tomorrow. We not rush, you know. You go try just today, cause remember say you go look about your passport, you renew it.
Yeah.
So and then after you renew your
Then I
passport,
go body dress.
then I go look about it just so tomorrow morning you can get up and go do your hair.
Alright, because
Alright, and what you know be you see engagement ring. I'm sorry about that, cause she break. I just feel a way about it.
be you ever have problem with some little things. Me tell you say you know, them they are the least, them they are just material things. You understand what I mean? Yeah, like I say, when we get married, a different we can go pop up my finger. Look at the least say problem be stop worry about that now. Me tell you say me good.
Be that's why me have to love you, you know, be. Me not put no other else female over here, you know.
You can't.
You are my wife, you know, be.
Anyways,
Yeah,
I
me
love you and me I go up on the road, you know. So
be a trade even know me love you, be.
me love you too.
Me love you like how God love Jesus. Take care of yourself, you hear?
I'm not bother to come, man. I'm gonna go find a way to take you, but I can't find here.
Alright, babes.
Alright, later.
Kiss me teeth. Girl, then if you could do it as soon as possible.
Me go do what me go do. But where you go?
Me don't know yet. Probably the years and go and think. And see how much client me can get right now. Cause I see it on my phone. Right now, them all call me right now. Let me sit on some more links.
Jesus Christ, anyways. Me come,
You need for Earth, I'm gonna do it.
yeah, me go down so.
Go on your yard, I'm gonna call him my friend. As you say, you can't go in your yard, so do not go to the man yard like that.
Me not got money out like
You
that.
wear something well short.
What?
Alright, continue. Go on, girl. I don't know about money.
Yeah, bye-bye. Ricky. Me are you if you have us.
But tell her say, you don't pop up on me just so.
That had nothing to do with me.
Call me phone whenever you come on me yard.
That had nothing to do with me. Anyways, me have a problem, you know.
What kind of problem?
But tell me say you get married to Chubby. Me tell you this. Remember say me know you before she know. Before you take up yourself, you go there with her, you know.
But that not say, remember say you're not my personal woman, you is a side chick. And from me take up Chubby, me settle down. Me not, you exit out of the picture.
And me there before she.
But that not say. That not say through your day before she, you know. That not mean say you feel still there, you know.
So you just shut me out.
Me can't bother with this. Me can't bother if you have two women one time.
You should have think about that at first. You say that's why we woman not like man. You say that's how we hate to know.
Yo, me woman not gonna work today, no. Let me tell her that, you know. So talk where you talk. And hurry up.
Your woman not gonna work now nothing to do with me. Anyways, me come down there room. Come.
No, you can't do that. The woman gone on the road to come back.
That not have nothing to do with me. Come, we are going to the house.
No, we can't just go. Yo, let me tell her this. My woman gone on the road to come back. How you would have looked if you know say my woman come catch me with you?
You go like she don't know about me already.
No, remember say me tell her say me I go get married. Me I go settle down. Me can't bother with the side chick and the main chick thing. Me can't bother with them. There's something that main chick me want to stick to.
Me and Chicken was you see it? That's how a woman carry look pound, you know.
Hey, look here. Me love you, you know. Me tell her say me love you already, you know. But me want to settle down now. You think how younger me I get? How older me I get?
You see it? Me give you me all. Me give you me heart. Everything. You make me feel like say you not hurt me. I know you hurt me. You make me feel like no me worthless, like me no worth nothing, me no worth nothing none
No,
at
say that be, no say that be. Calm down, no look how much man out there.
What that for do with
You
me?
feel like you can't do off every man out there. You know the amount of man out there right now would have want you.
Me no business about them. You me want. Me no want nobody else. You hear me I tell you? You alone me want. Are you have me heart and everything already? Are you really want to come rip? Brother.
But me can't unbreak your heart. So baby girl, if me break your heart, me sorry. As me said earlier on, whole heap of man out there. Me can't bother for you run up and done.
You know what? It's alright, Ricky. It's okay. Why? I don't know why help is it
You
you.
don't say you don't understand life though. You don't understand so
You don't understand life. Can imagine me there before she and me there thick and thin with you. And you go put she over me, boy, you go
So
marry she.
your grandmother never tell us say all bring new.
Oh, so me all.
You cause you did it first. So chubby new. So you old so that
Okay.
you are gonna bring in new.
See for no one, is there any problem we have with Chubby? Don't call my phone. Don't even
You know
call
say
my
I true me
phone.
love you though be. Me I give you a chance no. Cause true. Me know you love me too, you know. And I like say me I go and like say me don't know say you love me, you know. Me know say you love me. Come go fix your business before Chubby come back. Cause Chubby gone down the road to come back and go and check for some
Just
stuff.
come go on
Come
lie
on, and we
house
have to do it
business.
fast, you know.
Don't tell me
I
about no
really
fast
want to cheat on my
business.
woman, you know, because I love my woman now. We soon
You should
get
think
married.
about that at first.
Woman
Oi,
gone on the road
oi.
there, so suppose you can catch me now. You know, so we can't buy
Just
get
stop for
married.
long chatting and go on, no?
Hurry up, man. I'm bringing a slippers. Bring in a
Me
slippers.
nah bring it on one. Cha.
I'm going to use the bathroom and come back.
Some for do go in our room. Go get undressed.
Remember, say me tell us me change. I am a changed person. I'm tired of you doing it for no woman bed that disrespectful. I don't know how to do badness.
What go do we have that excuse right from me?
I'm too miserable, man. You have to some chill. Want to get married, start a family, and second one. So if we are going to link up upon the road and you're so out of it. And if we even link up, remember say I don't know their business, relationship done.
You know something that power with you because you think so this relationship not done until I say it's done. You're lucky.
What? You feel like joke me and me?
But I'm like part of talking with you, you know. Okay. So happen to you. You hear me I tell you? Alright.
I could have what happened to me. Just know say I hit that for you. It done. Come go sweet up back in the room now before moms come home.
Oh, what I say there? I'm tired, man. It's so hot. I had a long day, man. But I be me get through with the sick, you know. Yes, I'm really kind of full up, but
So
me get through.
Jess, what happened to you, Jess?
B, it dressed nice. Cause first she did give me one dress, you know, and me never did two like it. And then remember you say if you don't like it, don't take it. So now she give me one. Me say B, everybody go bad man when me put her on the dress there. It just sit down.
So you don't know say my woman have to look good. My woman have to look good, you know. Remember say we are get married, you know. And the next thing too, we not invite one heap of people, you know, so nobody publish, you know. I just close family. We're close to
So my
we.
friend then can't come.
We don't want everybody in our business.
I understand still.
Private wedding. And we not publish it. We are doing things silent. We are married and we are go Bahamas. Nobody nothing knows so we are go Bahamas.
Babe, me tell you the truth, and I know say you're not broke or nothing, but you don't think a private wedding and then the expensive dress and then everything is expensive. You done it too much.
Be alright, let me explain to you. Probably I me say it wrong. When me say private, me no mean like you can't bring one and two of your friend them.
Oh.
But me no want to bring you one them me go bad mind and fight it thing. You can't invite one and two. But mostly close family we are the close to you thing.
I understand why your system. Because that's why you say, do too much just to make me happy.
Yeah. As long as me here there, I'm willing to settle down with you. I will forever treat you. Not too expensive when it come on to you.
Alright, you dey cook.
No, I don't say me never get a chance to cook. Me they are easy back on a bun and one frost and they wait till they come in. So me don't know what you would want to eat. So me say me I wait till they come home ask what you want to eat. Maybe we go cook man, what you want to eat?
Alright, make that stay. Me did cook about some fish and rice, so me just go eat
Yeah,
that.
in the fridge. Me did put in the fridge so you can hot up it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's a be here.
Alright, me I go wash off and sitting man. Yeah.
So I know a star. I shouldn't even do this so me do not too long enough. Look for my beautiful wife. Me bring other woman come my yard, bro, and cheat, bro. And when me I go stop, I promise myself so me nah carry that girl that come back here. And me keep on and do it over and over. Me really want to know when me I go stop. Look for me na wife. How my wife chubby and sexy and beautiful. To how me feel about the situation, all myself me upset with. I want change, you know. I'm call Peter. Yo, Peter.
Yo, why you pay me, G?
Yo, Peter, you know, see me I get married, bro, and you want to be best man, bro.
So you don't tell me that already, brother. How much time you tell me that?
Bro, relax. Someone want to do something for me, bro. Me have a woman in my life. We not top. Bother me, bro. She not top piss me, bro. And my wife, bro, when me I get married to soon, bro, soon to be my wife. Me no want that the girl when me used to knock. That I'm my ex, you know. Call this here my
That's
ex.
Slimmers. Hold on, I see him little Slimmers there.
Yeah, when me used to knock before me find this a girl or before me find Chubby.
Me remember, man.
Yeah, me want
Some
to
I can't lose his name, bro. Remember some new girl, bro.
all that too, bro. All that me figure, bro. But want to do something for me, bro.
So what you say, go on? How go on? How go on?
Want to do something for me, bro. Wait, she just avoid me, bro. What you can do for me?
Brother, what you call me upon, brother? I don't know what me have to do. What you mean, say, what, if you do something, what? Brother, look here, all you have to do, bro, just avoid the girl, bro. Tell the girl, say, go on, bro. Tell the girl, say, block my youth. Because my say they know, say, you have money already, bro. So, probably, you see me? So you have the money, you know, they're not going to Alexa, bro. So
Oh.
tell the girl, say, you block like a dog, like a buckle, bro.
Peter, all when me act like me broke. Cause all when me act like me broke. And when me broke, cause more while I know we have ups and down more while. So you know, say, yo, things slow sometime. She still not left me, bro.
Eh. I too good money have them, man.
Yeah, man, yo, I laugh, yeah. Yo, a serious matter this, bro. No laugh, bro.
Yo, laugh, bro. We don't talk serious, but what you gonna do, brother? What you want me to do?
Yo, you want to do, bro. Cause a serious thing this I know, bro. Want to try do something way. Even if you can do like a rich bro or something, bro, cause a girl love money, man.
Eh.
And take a picture.
Remember saying I would just drop the crown, you know.
Alright, bro. So you're willing to get her.
I mean, do like a rich, and I say rich, and I'm your father.
You know, easy, you know, Peter. Just want to bribe her. try get her close to you.
What you wanna? I understand what you say, bro. But you don't feel good to do that, bro. I must say, yeah, man,
Bro, just do something for me now, bro. Please, me, how far you come from me now, bro?
Yo. Alright, you what? Remember say carry that garage, my youth. So you feel some shit and just well, alright, me have a style I can pull off.
Yeah, bro.
But yo, you what you have to do? Just send me a money no man, send me like 50 grand, bro. You give back after me done, bro. Just so brand the shit in eyes and everything, bro.
Bro, remember me rich, you know, bro. What can I give you back? We are bridging, you know, bro. Remember say I do a flavor for me, you know, so me must can do back something for you, you know, bro.
Yo, I don't charge me, you know, brother. Just use the money like in front of eyes, bro. And me give back your money, brother.
Me know say you not charge me, bro. That one juice money, 50 grand is nothing, bro.
Alright. Yes, take that then.
Yeah, bro. Just take a picture with her close up under your arms, bro, and send me. We can use and blackmail the girl so she avoid me, bro.
Alright. I'll do that then.
Alright, bro.
Yo,
Yo,
I was part she live again.
you know what I say? I done on the street. They say, remember where Rasta did have a bar there, so? On the lane there. 12th Street.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, right. That's how she live, right across from the bar.
I'll get to work.
Alright, bro.
Don't send me, yeah, my account number, it's called someone,
Yeah, bro. Me I send it.
Alright, send it to that, please.
Alright, bro. Me I send it now, you know.
Get to work.
Me I send the money now, you know, bro.
Yeah, man, do that now, man. I get to work, man.
Alright.
Right away.
Yeah.
Alright.
Send the doggy money, you know. Send. Yeah, man, a long time one. I hope this will work, you know. Cause a long time one that girl they avoid me, bro. Cause there's nothing me see in this world. When me try if you do already if you make a girl avoid me, she still a forward, bro.
Hey, it's something ready now. I just don't have to pay. Come for something.
Alright, me a forward.
Yes. Girl, come meet me by van. This same spot where we did this morning. Alright.
Hey, please just hand it over. She laugh and I call me closer. Me know if the owner ever find out, me life I go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks where me fist say, me I go lose me peace this same day.
Girl, you see how far me have to come from? Tired enough? You go have to pay me. You go have to pay me. There's a hot sun every minute.
Madam, I do not have to pay for nothing, no.
You're supposed to pay me.
No.
I know some milk you walk over me, you know.
So expect you know somebody for walk along there, so...
You do you think?
Yeah, me do it. You know something normal already, so yeah, we have to go.
Wait something there. God knows.
Why you going so far?
Don't run put me. Leah. We have put up girl dirty panty in my face for girl.
Madam, you just say you dirty.
Your hand.
Oh, but you tell me to take out the door.
Me say take out you make sure you put it in one bag.
No bag daddy there.
I'm not gonna chance to see for a weird thing.
I don't know. She must say I catch fish.
But you're clean. A clean panties. You're not dirty.
Every time basket and bed, so I'm take you out.
You know matter. Once you wear it already, it no matter. Anyways, what's happening now?
So madam, take this from me now.
Girl,
You
me
never
not take
say
it. I two we are guys same place. We not touch that, bro.
so why am I fi come with you?
Because two we are go. What you mean by? No, that I plan.
First of all, you tell me say you are going, me never say me
Leah, me
come.
tell us I'm made you go. Remember, she
Whatever.
nervous. Anyways, I'm not gonna play that burn out for you. I can like you happy.
Me don't know why I go there so.
What you say now?
Alright, so we done do that already. So what else?
You go to your girl. Remember what else you know want something done fast.
Yeah, but which part you man there?
Me know which part she the girl on my link them. Me know which part she there. Okay, just make sure you have the jars. But I put that nowhere near me. Cause, Just you ready or what?
Yeah, I'm ready, but like, how much I go charge?
No, 50 girl or more. 50 at least. At least 50. Or what?
Me not even had any type of money there. You could tell me earlier. But either either way, I think my mother has some money for you, so me just go like borrow some from her.
You go borrow. Leah, me know you see a thief. You go thief your mother money. Just thief the money and come.
At least me go give her box and still borrow. And not thief me go thief.
A thief. Anyways, don't wash the jars, I hear? Don't wash it.
Me not actually, by the way, me want go just, can we go tomorrow early?
So you want to do it tomorrow? Why not now?
No. Look how it's so hot. I saw you want to walk in,
Alright, can I do it as early, man? Remember, I know early as morning. Because me already talk to the woman, so I know her, you know. A long time I do them things here. A long time I do them things to people, you understand? But I take me no weird way now.
Eh. So me I can't go to the
So hurry up and go do what you do then. You can keep the money for her now and secure it.
Top set thief.
The other thief, you go thief some other things. You rather sell it. The top thief one.
I can't go on home. Cause I know you're frustrated me.
Wanna ever find out me life I go mash up, can't work out, give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner ask when me fist say, me I go lose me peace this same day. Give me back the panty, no make me cry. Me reputation bout to fly. One little lace cause holy and stress. Me never know love coulda make such mess. She hide it good, me search every room. Me feel like doom, just stepping at the gloom. Every excuse just sound out of tune. Me know the thunder soon I go boom. She say beg little Lord a star. Me say Lord have mercy Father. One piece of cloth a make me a sweat. This a the hardest favor me beg yet. If you ever juggle, listen this tale. One wrong move make every plan fail. Sometimes the lesson costs more than pride. Now me a that trouble from every side. Give me back the panty, me a beg you know.
Leah! Girl, come here now, man. You see, you know me, no business.
I'm ready. Want you?
But look, you make me have to come find a yard, girl, like you know, mean business.
You.
Cho, come on, girl, don't stop. You just, Cho. Nah, me not tell you no again. You know me, no business. So, girl, where yours?
You don't have a pocket, girl.
So you put in your pocket in one baggy food,
Don't
Leah?
worry about it. It's in my pocket.
You know, see, you're stubborn. You know, say, boy, me
what it
can't bother. I can't bother, girl. You stress me.
You're not tired. Oh, I forgot to say, I regularly come up here and do people things, so I'm not saying nothing.
Oh, what are you, girl? Stop move, sir. I serious stress is that a woman we pick up, say, I move fool, you know, and about doing our business. So
Yeah,
stop now.
Why?
Move straight, girl. Stop move, sir.
Where?
Come on, now, girl, I'm talking to you, sir.
You want to find me now?
Are you no hearing all the woman say? Yes! I can see two of you coming from afar, and one of you acting like you are afraid of me. But don't be afraid. I am here to help you. Come into my office. You're welcome. Oh, shakamarama. Hey. Hello! Don't be afraid. The lightning and the thunder. Don't be afraid. Because the lightning and the thunder will roll if you act like you're scared. Don't be afraid. I am here to help you from the east, the west, the north, and the south. Do you hear me? Come to me. I can see you. Your name in my private book. Yes, I can see your name. I know what color clothes you're in, and I know what you're coming to me for.
Girl, really? Bush?
Girl, come on, girl. I'm gonna say if your people are going to take man for pick up. Come on, man. She return
Come
a
here,
man.
hand, come here. Sure. Oh, God.
Calm down, man. You know, so she got pick you up.
Girl, wait up now. Sure.
We not calm down, Leah.
So what she spin around so far?
Come on, now. You know, say, what make sure you see a real idiot, though? You know, say, what make sure you see a real idiot? Calm down, you have to be militant like me. What do you?
Yo, go on. Go on
Come
now.
Hey! Yes. Take off your shoes. Your name is Leah, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't think about how do I know your name. I know that you plan to come to me. Your friend that bring you here, she's my regular customer. She know the rules. Hello, Leah?
Yeah.
Didn't she told you to take off your shoes before you step inside my palace? This is my palace. I do my work here.
No, she did not.
But you don't have to be afraid. So go ahead and tell me, what is your problem?
Alright. I have a boyfriend, right?
You have to speak up a little bit louder because the ancestors! Hey! I have to cough 3 times. You know why? It's a secret. I can't tell you. The ancestors just told me something about you. You need to tell me the truth. You was about to tell me a big fat lie. And if you tell me any lie, you won't like it. Go ahead.
Miss me, I tell you a lie. There's a boy named Ricky. Me and him have been together. But he have another woman that he want to be married to. I have been there with him before that girl. And him a put she over me.
Shh. Yes. Okay. No problem. I can see Ricky from a distance. That's what your boyfriend name, right?
Yeah.
Yes. He's sleeping with another girl and not just only one. 3 of them, including you, make 4. He does not love you. And you're always giving this guy your money. You're a fool. Turn around 3 times. Spin it roll. 1 more time. Stop. I said 4. This guy is gonna get married very soon. So what you gonna do about that?
I want to get rid of the girl. What me can do?
Listen. That's what I was thinking. You have to get rid of the woman to have this guy for yourself. Okay.
Yeah, I'm off that one.
So You have to give me something for that woman.
I have one panty for her. Let me take.
I know you get that thing from your friend, you know. She know everything. She know what to do and what not to do. As I told you, she came here a lot of time. So you're sure that this is hers, not yours?
Yeah, me sure.
Because, hey, if this is yours, you know what is gonna happen?
Wow.
You're going to face the consequences. Death before dishonor. Hey! See? The spirit is trying to hold my feet because they can see something going on inside of you. I'm going to tell you this now. Don't worry about her. That man is going to be yours. I will get rid of her. Let me see. Okay, my ancestors, this way. Close your eyes. Turn around 3 times. Say, You have to speak up loud so the ancestors can hear you. One more. One more time. Okay, it is done. Hey! Don't be afraid. Say, hey, 3 times. Spin your roll. Louder than that. Again. Hey, It is done. It is done, my child. It is done. Before you go, you have to pay me $60,000.
But I only have 50.
Huh?
I only have 50.
Wait, just a second. She said she only have 50. What must I do? Okay. Leah,
Yes.
I will take the 50 from you, but you have to make sure in 7 days' time you bring the other 10 to me. Else, problem is going to happen in your life.
Okay, sure.
And if you don't want that to happen, bring the $10,000 in 7 days' time. Go! Take up your shoes and go. Give me my money. Thank you. Remember, it is done. Go! And don't look back. Remember, don't look back. Don't look back.
Swear you. Bring me up in here, please. Yeah.
Come on, don't look back.
Don't look back. Hey, Done.
there.
Me up there so much time, so I'm just let me a faint with so.
That I got happen girl a regular thing that a woman powers. Girl, me was a strong woman that you know about millions. Don't pay up that's what she have, you know.
Like seriously?
Yeah, girl, them a place I'm love her, what do you?
Yeah, you will love them places, yeah, cause you boy, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Babe, me not understand. Why you ever do them something there?
What me I do?
You ever smoke and I let the cigarette ashes them in the room and all over the place. You clean the place?
Me not always sweep out the place.
Oh, well, I guess you don't sweep it out because I just sweep out the one in the room. Up on the bed, you left the ashes them. And what do you?
So what your problem? What
That
are you
I
for?
clean the place? Me and your maid, you know? Yeah, go and accept me and your maid like I am to be maid. You need to stop it if you want to smoke, you need to go outside. You're supposed to leave and smoke so much. You smoke morning, noon and night.
B, what all of this for?
Me I tell you, you can't but I tell you walk back at you. I'm gonna tell you, me now go keep and I walk back at you. You have to go hire me if them something you want to do. You the hard work place. If you look, ashes, every cigarette butt, every hard place. And garbage there you.
So you go like say you wanna sweep up the place.
What sweep it when you drop them there?
So me not sweep it sometime.
Sometime, me sweep it all the time. Cause even when you sweep it, me have to go back over and go sweep it because I don't know where you say you sweep though. All the time, every day, get up, smoke, gone out the road, friend this. You need to stop them something them man. You're big man, you need to change.
So me not must know say me a big man. Me not must know.
Me not gonna tell you again. No. You need to stop like the cigarette, but them and ashes them all over the place. I saw one day when my friend them come here and she reach this so cigarette but they kick. Me not like them style because their friend them can't come here come say the place nasty and say a certain way. You hear me I tell you, me not gonna tell you again. Cause you do too much of they do. Me don't like it. You understand? So you go start smoke out a door or some happy smoking.
You know, say if I tell you about marriage one day, every time you get up you have problem. Everything I make bother you.
If you bother me, all the thing you tell you know, you go stop the smoking because you're even supposed to smoke. You know, smoking give one of things. I didn't want to go in that day, you know. But all the thing I can tell you is, you go stop the smoking in here. Or you go, I don't know what you go do, but I don't want to smoke. I go make one new rule. No smoking allowed in here.
A normal free man.
Oh,
So you know some man love you make you go and say
I
come up
$10
on
to put your pocket, they take up the $10. You ever want to see me your maid, for they walk back at you. I don't like them.
love come this man, so you know some man love you.
Yeah, love
Not a normal free man.
Love and nice.
Go on to your room. Can't even want to come cuss man from man talking about marriage and some style like a few to me a little boy.
Then something. Are you again? So hold on. I'm gonna ask you a question. You see, this I get from bad to worse, you know. This I get from bad to worse.
What happened?
Not try your place, you know. Not try your place. You go treat the place like that. The why you use the bathroom, you don't flush the bathroom. The place you wash. Me wash them yesterday. You can't wash them today.
Then me, we have to come out and start load up my business.
No, you're nasty. You have to go.
If no water on the how me go flush it time?
Water in there. Me just go in and go wash my hands.
Water the gone.
No worry yourself. I'm going to get a mic. And I'm going to go out this and go tell the whole wide world say you was about my front. You're too nasty. Imagine say you get up and you out yourself for a man in pan phone, you know. You must know where the pan phone and do, you know. Me was to pay them yesterday. You couldn't come was to pay them today. I said this day.
Everything make bother you.
Everything go bother me. Right now, yeah, irritate me. Right now, me now like confident about this marriage thing, you know. Cause you feel like you now go work with every day. Me go work in your
So I waste me there. I waste my time.
You're too nasty. Me don't like nasty man. Means that you're maid. You need to understand that. Means you're woman. Soon to be wife. Me can't bother with it clean. 24/7 me they clean. I was to pay them last night. You look about sitting this morning and you can't get up and want to pay them. What kind of style them the my youth? You get up, use the bathroom, you come out and say the pan phone. Where the pan phone I talk to?
You don't put my phone and play a game. I don't talk to nobody.
So before your mind tell us to complain and give me when you say flush the bathroom because somebody
Water gone on my feet though.
water come back now. Go flush
Oh,
the
if you know water come back. So you couldn't flush it for me.
Oh, and yeah, you use it. I want to the nasty
So
boy.
why there?
Me no need to flush a DD. You're too hard. Go flush the bathroom.
You know what? You better be going left that yard.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, get out there and walk.
Yeah, it better you go on down me. It better you go on me. You have to come back to here and bring your clothes them out there. Any girl you have a road, they better have one out there to them. Nasty boy, because me they talk to you with the right thing. You feel like me don't see you have girl out the road, but go on. You better come back for your things them too. You better you go on down because once me step my foot in the house here, me nah move. Oh, me they wait for 3 years and you just they engage to me. Bright, nasty. Alea. Girl. You remember when me that tell us say me go make you be my bridesmaid, girl?
Yeah.
Girl, right now, this a come like say me good. Me want mash up this girl, wrap up this. Girl, from here Ricky say we go get married, girl. Appear things in my life, girl. Me can't bother.
Girl, I don't know what really I'm going to hear like you because Ricky used to live so good. So I don't really know what
Alia, no go on the boy just nasty and lazy. Can you imagine say me watch the plate then last night and get up and look about sing this morning and the boy left the plate night sink. Then me go to the bathroom to go bed now, right? When me look, he did in the think. If boy did in a toilet and a flush it. When me go there to him, I go tell me about water the gone.
I don't know, girl.
I'm gone out of the yard.
I know since when you start fight and be explained, you need to find a mother woman and go and start out and so a problem.
Not a mother woman. Not a mother woman. All the thing, the boy just lazy and nasty. Not a mother woman, girl. Nobody can tell me say this a boy just want just look at mother. He might look at maid.
Remember, Ricky never stays, so you know. Remember, you know, when my
Time never show me say nasty, girl. In true colors they come out. In true colors they come out.
to me, girl, about this something going on, you know, somebody do something to you. That's why you have to call a mother woman to find out what is what.
Nobody no do nothing to him. Nothing do him that nastiness. And nastiness do him. Girl, I believe me say after me they talk to the boy. I know the boy that going in the bathroom go flush it. A boy take up him foot and gone out a road. Nothing can tell me say no one next guy out a road. They entertain. So the entertain the girl, you know, want to do nothing in the house. Cause the girl take up too much time.
Yeah. You know what?
Girl, who could I really want to do something to Ricky? Nobody want to do nothing to Ricky. Ricky just lazy and nasty and just a come on. You feel like say a true, so one on this. So yeah, try say. You feel like a true, me tell people say we go married. People they bad man and want to do something. What then could I want to do?
It happens, but every time I get a credit, I play it out. You can't buy my credit too.
Girl, so what then do? Go home and go home and for nasty. That ain't go home and for do. If people that hobby are people, girl, people that hobby are people for food swallow up something. Nobody not hobby and nobody for nastiness. Now worry yourself. But just know say you see this a boy I continue this a way ya, this a when you go put off. Cause me not living at no house me dey be meal. If you want to go higher a living meal. And no me woman now come in here to come take my man. So you have to be a man. Oh. Bright. Anyways, we go clean up your house now because I'm saying gone and you know clean up your house. So me go have to go clean up your house. So me call link you probably, me don't know, probably next week.
Alright.
I'm going to tell you anything will happen after. Later, my friend. Alright. Bow, come here. Somebody can't get somebody for nastiness.
Yo, Bridget, just make sure say man fix the crown, bro. Make sure say him put on all the panel them good and see. You see it? Alright. Yeah, brother. So call about. So call about, man. I have a little thing I deal with, see? Yo, Ricky. Yeah, man, I dry money, you know. Yeah, man, I make you up with some money when I have to, you see it? Alright, you what? But I write our friend yard, see? So, yeah. So, I go use our friend now to get to she. And that's how I deal it. I style it, you know. Alright, so me update her, yeah, brother? Alright, cool. Yeah. Hello. Some minute the place. Beautiful. How you doing?
Nothing.
My name is Peter. No, you know. You remember me from the ice cream shop?
Yeah.
Beautiful door.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, you want to go on now? You know what, sir? I'm not going to lie to you. I like your friend.
Yeah. That's nice.
What's your name? What's your friend name?
Yeah.
Leah. Yeah, Leah. I like her.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's it. I don't know. You could take care of you. Would take care of you if you line me up. I don't know if I could do that.
No problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you say you can do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Alright, so you want to go on. I don't really know your friend, you know. So tell me something about your friend now.
Yeah, I know everything about her, man.
Tell me something about her now.
Oh, okay. She
Yeah.
she in our relationship, half relationship.
Yeah?
Yeah, she have a half relationship.
When I say half relationship, explain to me. I don't understand.
Like yeah. Like she me distracted, you know.
Focus, man.
Yeah, man, me focus, man. I just chew me a chat, you know. She son hot man and the money. Me mean the son. Son well hot man.
Man. We so move from here, man. I understand.
But yeah, she in a relationship with one youth.
Yeah.
But they not really in there like that, you know. Because show the youth cheat on her.
Wow.
And something so she got Obia man. Obia woman. Sorry. You me distracted, man. You distract me.
Your friend?
Hmm?
Your friend?
Yeah, she got Obia man to hurt the girl. And get rid of her that picture. Like we bring one panty. Yeah, she go there, go do.
Who brought that to do over?
Oh, Leah do that. Leah did that. She brought the money.
Over, man?
Yeah, she bring this up.
I say you do with that. Yeah. Me tell you fi give me back. Yeah. Lord, this can't real at all. Me there and now me get in a this fall. Me dep on a me mission in a broad daylight. At a beat fast, not a feel right. One little slip up turn big overnight. Now me have to beg God fi avoid one fight. Me say please just hand it over. She laugh and I call me closer. Me know if the owner ever find out, me life I go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks where me fist say, me I go lose me peace this same day. Give me back the panty, no make me cry. Me reputation bout to fly. One little lace cause volume stress. Me never know love coulda make such mess. She hide it good, me search every room. Me feel like doom, just step in the gloom. Every excuse just sound out of tune. Me know the thunder soon I go boom. She say beg little Lord a star. Me say Lord have mercy Father. One piece of cloth a make me a sweat.
Good morning. This is Mrs. Sharon Sucre from Negril Primary School, Principal. I am appealing to your organization for assistance in providing us with a surveillance camera system. In 2024, during the summer holidays while school was closed, we had a break-in at the school at which time we lost a number of items. These items were of great help to us, and because we lost them, we suffered severely. To date, we have not yet recovered all those items, and just today we have a teacher who has lost her phone because a visitor came in and took it while she was out of the classroom. Surveillance system would be of great help to us, so we are appealing for your assistance. We would greatly appreciate any assistance that you can offer us. If you are willing to assist us, feel free to call me at 551-0776 with an 876 before that. That is my personal number, or you could call the school number at 876-957-4904. Or you could reach out to Maggy Films for any other information that you may need or you may want to release. Thank you very much.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.